how to change or switch language on iPhone keyboard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change the language on your iPhone keyboard. Whether you're chatting with friends or working on a project, language flexibility is essential for effective communication. So first things first, open up your settings app and then scroll down, tap on general and then scroll down again and there you'll find keyboard. Go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on keyboards, and here you just have to simply tap on add new keyboard and choose any language that you want. So I'll choose Arabic. Now I'll go to my notes app to check. On the keyboard on the left hand side on the bottom, I'll see a globe like option. If you keep tapping on it, you can switch the languages that you have chosen on your keyboard settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.